Welcome back to the Blue Screen Actor. My name is Heidi and I'm here to help. And so today I just want to talk about something that's been kind of weighing on my mind the last little bit, and it's about taking time for you. And so with this industry, because it can be so busy, it can be so demanding, so taxing, and it's just like you always have like things coming in last minute, and then it's trying to figure out how am I going to get all of this done. And so throughout this whole process, we always have to remember to take time for us, which is honoring when we feel like we need a break, honoring when we need some time off, honoring when maybe we just need to step away for a day or two and say, hey, I need to rebuild, I need to recharge, I need to just take some moments and just kind of and just kind of look at everything I've done and actually take a moment to congratulate yourself, to appreciate yourself, and to just, just take that moment to make yourself feel good about all that you've done so far. So that being said, this week you're not going to have a long form because I've decided to take some time for me as well. It's just I've got a lot of stuff going on personally that I didn't expect, and because of that, it's pulling me in different directions at the moment. But I recognize that, and I recognize the value that I could be trying to create something or do something and not do it as well as I normally do, or literally just say, I'm going to take a time off, take it a week, kind of get everything that I need to get done for me, and then come back at it like stronger than ever, better than ever, and with a new kind of just vision and purpose. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I encourage you to do the same when you feel like you're at that point where you're just not being able to rest, or just feels like you're going, which is lovely, don't get me wrong. But then there comes a point where you're like, I really need to just take that moment. And so that being said, like I said, that's going to be my moment this week. So I'll be back next week with long forms. You'll see them again. It's going to feature a good friend of mine that you're going to love to meet. He's a cameraman, one of the best cameramen in the city, and he's going to be featured. So I'm not going to give you his name because I don't want to give it away. Kind of want you sitting on the edge of your seats, but you will see that when I come back. It's just, I do need this time off. So like I said, you're not going to hear anything from me this week, but I will be back next week with the long forms and my normal that I normally do, and I look forward to seeing you then. In the interim though, I just want to wish everyone just be great at what you do, be patient with yourself, just be kind to you, do what you need to do, and I look forward to all your successes, and good luck with all your auditions, your callbacks, your self-tapes, and even just the process in between. So with that being said, have a fabulous week, and I will see you next week. Ciao, Bellas.
Thank you for watching this episode of The Blue Screen Actor, hosted by Heidi Richards. Please be sure to follow us on YouTube and at The Blue Screen Actor on Instagram.